I just got a hold of this Ready to Run Chip Fan Kit. Let's check it out. What's great about these kits is that I get literally everything I need in the kit. In this one, I get the fan itself, the ER32 tool holder, the correctly sized collet to match the shank on the chip fan, and I even get the pull stud. This is great because usually I'd be searching through the website to find each of these pieces individually, let alone if I were trying to find each of these items separately from another vendor. With Ready to Run, I go online, find the kit I want, add it to my cart, and place my order. And now for the good part. We'll start by threading in the pull stud, then I'll snap the collet into the eccentric on the nut, and then thread the nut onto the holder. Next, I'll drop the chip fan into place, put this on our vise, tighten both ends of the tool. This tool is ready to run. Remember that these kits save you money over our already low prices. And since this particular kit is over $100, you get free shipping to add to your savings. Check out all the Haas Ready to Run kits on HaasTooling.com.